Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power mirrors, deep tinted privacy glass, step rails, splash guards, and much more. 16-inch silver alloy wheels, all-season tires, fog lights, projector beam halogen daytime running lights, a recovery hook, and a strong 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 20,164 miles. A power sliding rear window, the locking tailgate, the tow hitch, LED brake lights, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable cloth bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, selective internet, outside temp, a power outlet, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and GPS touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.